Mind the picture.
You're rolling.
Hi, I'm going to be telling you how to use the 5 kinds of knowledge when making a dinosaur cake. But first I want to start with my context and purpose because I think it's important to understand why I'm doing this. My context for making a dinosaur cake is because it is my son's 3rd birthday party and his theme had to be dinosaurs. So first I'm going to start down here in the procedural substantive knowledge box just because for me I have to think about, well, what am I doing and where am I going to get all this stuff and how am I going to be putting it all together. So for me I had to call my mother-in-law and say, hey, how am I going to do this? You've made 1,000 cakes. So I had to use her brain. What type of recipe am I going to be using? Am I going to be making it myself or am I going to be going to the box? I went the easy route. I bought a box and went to the store. Then the biggest thing was I needed a dinosaur-shaped pan. So I had to figure out on Google where I could buy a cake pan. So then it goes into, for me, my declarative knowledge of substance, of the stuff I actually thought through. Where did I get the stuff? Of actually getting, thinking of the stuff. So the stuff I knew I needed was a dinosaur-shaped can, cake mix, my mother-in-law's frosting stuff, mixer, food coloring, oven, all the sorts of stuff that you need to go into your cake. But then I had to think about actually, what do I know? How do I know how to make it? So I had to declare the form in which I make it. I had to tell myself how to make this cake. And that's really just telling the process in which I'm going to do, which I'm going to talk to you about the procedure. Getting out the mixer, putting the ingredients together, preheating the oven, greasing the pan, putting the flour in the pan so it doesn't stick. Pour batter into the pan, stick it in the oven. Let it bake for 45 minutes, let it cool, make frosting, frost the cake with different colors, and so forth. So as you can see in the 5 kinds of knowledge, you can really kind of start anywhere where you're at. I tend to start here because I have to brainstorm of where I'm going to get the stuff before I can declare it and go get the stuff that I need.